Hi guys, welcome back to Rosy's Financial Adventures. I'm Rosy, your favorite special education teacher and accountant. Today, we're going to talk about money. Ladies, money isn't just numbers. It's freedom, it's choice, and peace of mind. But too often, we're left out of the financial conversation. Today, that changes. I'm going to break down the basics of money in a way that's clear, empowering, and 100% doable so you can take control, build confidence, and start shaping the future that you deserve. Imagine this is you. You got your first paycheck. Exciting, right? But then you remember bills, student loans, and that Target run later, and poof, it's all gone. What if I told you that learning to budget now could give you more freedom, less stress, and even help you retire early? The first step in financial literacy is budgeting. Think of a budget as your money roadmap. And a simple way to start is the 50-30-20 rule. You use 50% of your budget for your needs, 30% of your budget for things you want, and 20% for savings and debt. Track your expenses, even just for 1 month, and it will give you a nice, clear picture of where your money is going. Life throws a lot of curveballs. Flat tires, medical bills, all sorts of surprise expenses. That's where an emergency fund comes in. Start with a small goal, like $500, $1,000. Keep it in a high yield savings account. These are my favorite. And it will be your financial safety net and give you peace of mind. One of the best money hacks, automation. Set up direct deposit so part of your paycheck goes straight into savings. Automate your bills to avoid late fees. And use a budgeting app to track your progress. Automation makes saving effortless. It's like putting your money on autopilot. This one's important. Do not cut out all fun. Don't do it. Don't cut out all fun. Budgeting isn't about punishment. It's about balance. Setting aside guilt-free money keeps you motivated. And it makes the process sustainable. Think of it as budgeting for joy. Retirement might feel far away, but starting now is your secret weapon. Even putting 3 to 5% of your paychecks into a retirement account, whether it's a 401k, IRA, 403b, makes a huge difference. And if you do not know what those accounts are, or what the difference between them is, I have a video. I will link it to this one. You can watch it. They make a huge difference in your retirement savings. Most teachers have options, like in California, CalSTRS, some sort of pension, while others have an employer match system. Whatever you have, the earlier you start, the more compounding interest turns small amounts into big numbers. So you might be thinking, what can I do right now? Well, you can start with picking a budgeting method, like the 50-30-20 rule, or using an app to track your spending habits. You can open a savings account, preferably a high yield if you don't already have one, or you could automate a financial habit. Whether it's saving $20 a week or setting your bills to auto pay to avoid those late fees. Small steps create big momentum. Remember, budgeting is not about restriction. It's about freedom. It's about building the life you want, step by step. Start today, even if it feels messy. Your future self will thank you. If you found this video helpful, hit that like and subscribe button for more tips and share it with a friend. Together, we can make financial freedom a reality.